salmonpoke.com. And today I'm going to be showing you salmon sashimi poke. Let me expand your mind on how I made this salmon sashimi poke. And so let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First things first, let me show you the list of ingredients to make this salmon sashimi poke. You know, show you, get it? Soy sauce, show you. Anyway, so we're going to be using some sashimi grade salmon here, cucumber, green onions, furikake, and some kikkoman soy sauce. Now that's gluten free, and we're using pure sesame oil and as well as sesame chili oil. So we're going to go ahead and grab our sashimi grade salmon and we're going to be slicing them into bite-sized pieces. After slicing the sashimi grade salmon into bite-sized pieces, we're going to go ahead and put them in a mixing bowl. And we're going to be using the Kadoya's pure sesame oil. Now 1 teaspoon of that. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the sesame chili oil, 1 tablespoon of kikkoman soy sauce. Now we're using the gluten-free soy sauce, but you go ahead and use whatever soy sauce of your choosing. Cucumber and green onions and 1 teaspoon of furikake. Then you grab a spoon and just mix. Because literally, it's just for one. Ooh, that smells good. That smells so good. Yeah, baby. Smells great. Now, if you let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge, it's best. But you can eat it right away, too. And then now you just transfer it to a nice looking dish. Cause you know, you special. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. So that tells me that you like this video. And that is poke. Alright, my eaters, hopefully this recipe was really simple enough for you to make a cup at home. Look at it, isn't it amazing? Hopefully you enjoyed a cup with me. That being said, this is a hashtag collaboration Top Chef Challenge video with awesome Instagram foodie friends of mine. And so definitely check out their Instagram posts. They did a Top Chef Seafood category. Would like to take a moment to say thank you to Jaro, who is aka Ninja Foodie Time on Instagram, and at the same time he's on YouTube as Too Much Spicy, who does spicy mukbang. That being said, this is a hashtag giveaway alert. Since we hit 3K, need to give something away. Would like to give thanks to all of our eaters for hitting the red subscribe button and the bell here on YouTube and hitting the follow button over in Instagram. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have hit 3K, and so this is my way of saying thanks by doing a giveaway. That's right, so we're giving away a $25 gift card to Amazon.com because we love Amazon, and hopefully you do too, but we reference Amazon.com a lot in our recipe video, and this is the perfect time to let you guys know that we do have links down below and showing you our favorite products to buy from Amazon.com. Here are the rules for the 3K Instagram giveaway. Open to US and Canadian residents only. Must be 18 years of age to enter. This giveaway is not affiliated with Instagram or Amazon or even YouTube. Real quick, comment down below your Instagram name so I know that you're entering in the giveaway.
Rule number 1, follow us, of course, at just88 and like the post. Rule number 2 is tag a friend in the comments of the Instagram post, and multiple entries are allowed. That is, but for an additional entry, share the post in your Instagram stories and tag me by typing my channel name, which is just88, as you post your Instagram story. If you have a private account, go ahead and screenshot the stories being shared and DM me. May the odds be in your favor. This giveaway is open when I post this until Friday, August 28th, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winner will be announced via stories and DM on Saturday, August 28th, 2020. By chance you're watching this and you're like, dang, I missed this giveaway. Hey, it's okay, because we will be doing future giveaways. And so you go ahead and still hit that red subscribe button and the bell, and go over to Instagram, hit that follow button there, and watch out for future giveaways.
Anyways, so that being said, always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. Here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one.